In today's fast-paced world, the ability to focus and study efficiently is crucial for academic success. Whether you're a student preparing for exams or a lifelong learner looking to acquire new skills, this guide will provide you with valuable strategies to increase your focus and study more effectively in less time. By implementing these techniques, you can make the most of your study sessions and achieve your learning goals more efficiently. Set clear goals. Before you begin studying, establish clear and specific goals. Knowing what you want to achieve during your study session will help you stay focused and on track. Break your larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks to make your progress more measurable. Create a study schedule. Design a study schedule that suits your lifestyle and commitments. Allocate dedicated time slots for studying, ensuring you have both focused study sessions and regular breaks to recharge your brain. Find your optimal study environment. Identify a comfortable and distraction-free environment for your study sessions. Minimize interruptions, noise, and distractions to create a conducive atmosphere for concentration. Prioritize tasks with the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique involves studying for a set period, example 25 minutes, and then taking a short break, 5 minutes. After completing 4 cycles, take a longer break, 15 to 30 minutes. This method helps maintain focus and prevents burnout. Active learning strategies. Engage with the material actively by summarizing, questioning, and teaching it to yourself or others. Active learning methods, such as flashcards, quizzes, and discussions, enhance comprehension and retention. Effective note-taking. Develop efficient note-taking techniques, such as the Cornell method or mind mapping, to condense information and highlight key concepts. Well-organized notes facilitate quicker review. Use technology wisely. Leverage digital tools and resources to streamline your study process. Note-taking apps, online flashcards, and educational websites can complement your traditional study materials. Practice self-care. Prioritize self-care to maintain mental and physical well-being. Get enough sleep, eat nutritiously, exercise regularly, and manage stress through relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing exercises. Stay organized. Keep your study materials and workspace organized. A clutter-free environment can reduce mental clutter and improve your ability to concentrate. Set rewards. Incorporate rewards into your study routine to stay motivated. Treat yourself to something enjoyable after reaching specific milestones or completing challenging tasks. Seek help when needed. If you encounter difficulties or complex topics, don't hesitate to seek help from teachers, tutors, or study groups. Collaborative learning can enhance your understanding and make studying more efficient. Review and test yourself. Regularly review and test your knowledge to reinforce what you've learned. Self-assessment tools, like practice exams and quizzes, can help identify areas that require further attention. Conclusion. By implementing these strategies and consistently practicing them, you can increase your focus and study more effectively in less time. Remember that improving study habits takes time and dedication, so be patient with yourself as you strive for academic success. With the right approach, you can make your study sessions more productive and achieve your learning goals efficiently.